When every device matters, clarity matters more. Meet a smarter command center for authorized.
Neon Ghost. When the system locks down, precision takes over.
When every device matters, clarity matters more. Meet a smarter command center for authorized device service. See device identity, system status, connection health, and service readiness in one clear view. Run guided diagnostics before every action, so decisions are based on evidence, not guesswork. Secure the information, follow every step in real time, and keep complete accountability. From first scan to final confirmation, every action leads to a verified result. Device control simplified. Manage, diagnose, recover with confidence.